rail was broken. So we learned a lot of stuff by replacing the broken rail. So that's another good thing about it. In the MMT, we were able to replace switch points. We did a couple closure rails. We did a lot of cleaning.
We have over 50 projects planned for Fix It Week. And just to kind of share the work that we are doing, our track maintenance team spending time working on replacing switch point at the DeVos Junction, replacing closure rail and track. Is this something that we could do in 3 hours? No. Is this something that we can do in 6 hours? Yes.
But I was proud to be a part of this project because it, in addition to that, enabled us to focus on the little things that can enhance the customer experience. Whether it's painting a wall, replacing a set of lights, adding new signage, wayfinding information, all of those little things can add up to, over time, a great improvement in making transit more, faster, reliable, safer.
But they're starting to actually get ahead of problems, solving problems before they happen and fixing equipment before it breaks. All of this is helping to improve speed reliability and make the subway work better. As I said, we're getting about a 20% improvement in speed and about a 20% improvement in reliability in the subway.